Yeah, that's cool.
We should hide him, the daddy will not know who we are and we'll scare him.
No.
No,
Okay.
don't scare daddies.
Oh, I gotta
Daddies
do
don't
it. No
like
one else
being
wants to do
scared.
it.
Oh, it just gets better.
Neither do grandfather.
Oh,
And
man.
of course, it's hailing.
Yeah.
Hey, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Whose idea was this?
I'm afraid it was mine. I take full responsibility, even for the hail.
It's not bad. It's pretty bad.
Hey, you guys come up here.
No, we're not going back up there, honey.
Let's,
This isn't nearly
are we going to proceed to the car,
We're gonna
regardless if it's
proceed to the
raining?
car right now. Okay, let's go.
Do we happen to have any food?
So does this old boy who runs this place have an attitude? I don't know. Let's check the instructions. Ooh.